Hi guys! I love it. How are you? I mean, this is really cool. He used to wiggle and all of that. The one in the back used to dunk and jiggle. This one, his feet would move when you have your droid with you, and his feet would smoke a little bit. But yeah, Greebly's baby. And look, the lights are droid heads. I would love to have one of these. I have a droid body. I have an R2 body. It's a wooden one. It's just a frame. I haven't even got the shell to put on him yet. And I am a part of Astromech, but I have had to put him on back burner multiple times due to, life. But I would love to have those. They're so awesome. Maybe you want to walk out the other way since we came in this way? Hey, dude. There's a battle droid. Roger, roger. Roger, roger. All right. So yeah, your droids will talk. We'll have to put some batteries in them and bring them. That's the blue milk stand. That's the milk stand. It's blue, green. They got rid of the green and now it's pink.
Nope, they still have green.
They still have green? Woohoo!
Yes. They don't sell much green.
No, they never have. But it's just part of how it goes, though.
And the merchant was saying that the pink is popular because it's new and people haven't decided yet.
Ah. There's the stairway to go to somebody's apartment. See that?
Unless you want to see if they have one more, we can slide in.
Have a what?
One last walk up.
Where?
About going to get something.
This is only snacks.
Your beer cat.
Right. I don't have the indoor. That's the second or third edition. It's lit again. There's the Falcon with nobody in front of it. Anita Butte. I love it. It's fabulous. I hear Onaka. Onaka was back in the pre-show. We've met Chewbacca here. Chewie didn't like Biggie's one shirt. It said, vote.
Vader, join us or die.
And he's like, oh, no, no, no. He told him no. Oh, you for another door. He told him no. Yeah? Oh, something didn't start right. Look, it's empty. Look at that. Look at this menu. They have this food. So, the boys had this. It's very, very good. They absolutely enjoyed it. The Ronto wraps are really good. Eric had the pot roast on May the 4th. I did not. We can't do the really hot. I did this one. We haven't had these yet. We haven't had this yet. And we did the drinks. They're very good. Of course, the Moose Spire. That was awesome. We didn't do the alcohol one, but we got both lightsaber stirrers. And if you want, you can look at the menu right here for mobile order. Take a picture. Screenshot lasts longer. That's my good friend Tampa J. That's Doc Ondar's. So, let me show you something. Rumor has it, see this foot, they have one in Disneyland as well. My understanding, the foot in Disneyland is actually screen prop used. Then I also hear this foot is also screen prop used. Does anybody know? I got to do some homework, but this is Doc's. Doc and his antiquities. I haven't seen him in a while. But yes, the foot. This is where you go to Sabi's and do your lightsaber builds down there. He's still doing the Rontos. I'm going to walk through here. I know it's closed. He's still rolling. He's doing the Ronto roast. Oh, there he goes. That's the storage room. I've never seen it closed like this before. It's really wild to see. This is your popcorn. That's one of your little trinket shops. All the cool animals, and look, you have to look up when you come in here. It is really cool. All the neat stuff that they use for all the greeblies and all the neat stuff. Check it out. Mini versions. And these also have scans too for the game. Just an FYI. But check it out. Restrooms. Doesn't look like there's a companion up here. This is where you buy things like Savi's game. Sometimes you can get some of the other little things here. Recently, it was the comic books and stuff they were doing here. Uh-oh, somebody lost their... whoever Alex is just lost her pass. Somebody named Alex lost their pass. Alex, you lost your pass. It's laying here. I'm gonna put it over here. You must have just come out of the restroom. So I think this is still broke. Oh no, is he working? Is he working? Maybe he's not. It's a water bottle fill. So this is really cool if he's working. It's a hack. A lot of times you can hear him over here too. That's the creature. You can hear him, and he shows up here. There he is. I don't know if you can see him with that reflection, but he's there. Ah! And then he goes back in the water. It's hard to see with the stupid light. And then it makes it sound like he's